Hi, I'm doing a quick video just to show you how to upload to Google Classroom if you're wanting to do one of my assignments that I made and you want to get it into your Google Classroom for your kids. So you're going to go into your Google Classroom and you're going to go up to Classwork, and then you're going to click this button that says Create. Then you'll pick Assignment. Then you'll want to title your assignment, I'm going to do Patterns. You can give any instructions if you want to. I'm going to say Open and complete and turn in. Okay, and then I'm going to push add and then Google Drive. Now you have a whole bunch of different options here, or you can type in if you know specifically what its title. I'm just going to go to my drive and it pulls up everything in my drive. I can go to the folder that I know it's under and I can find what I want, patterns. Now this is the most important thing that you need to do. This right here, you're going to click that and make sure you push make a copy for each student. Otherwise the students are not going to be able to interact and it won't work. Alright, after you push make a copy, you can mess with all of the settings over here. I'm going to say the due date is Sunday. And my topic is math, and you can make all of your own topics. This is all catered to you, whatever you want to do. You can also assign it to only a few of your students, and you can say how many points it's worth too. After you've done all that, you're going to push Assign, and then it pushes it out to your Google Classroom. And as soon as you assign it, your kids can see it. And then mine, since I put it under Math, will be under my heading Math. It's right here, Patterns. They're going to push that, push View Assignment. Now theirs is going to look different. Theirs is actually going to look like this to them. And then what they can do is then click this and it will open automatically on their computer. Sorry for my slow internet. And then they can do everything following the directions through their whole Google Classroom, and then they have an option over here to turn it in. Obviously it's not on mine because I'm the teacher, but they will turn it in to you, and then you'll see right here this number will change it, say turn in, and you can click on it and view everything and grade it, and then you're done. Hope that is helpful.